a recipe of sambar, a typical udupi style sambar, that is lady's finger brinjal plain sambar. This is an usual sambar prepared in our Brahmin homes since long, hereditary style. I have not added any modern style. Everything is just hereditary, as my grandmas, everybody used to prepare. Same style I am doing it. Here only the difference is I have taken here 3 variety of brinjal and 2 variety of lady's finger. That is, I have taken green lady's finger as well as violet lady's finger. Then brinjal I have taken long violet brinjal, like egg style brinjal. Again Matt brinjal. Matt means it's a place in Udupi where this particular brinjal is grown in all and all over that Matt place. There usually this particular brinjal is very famous in Matt. That's why it's known as Matt brinjal, and its taste is superb. So I have selected 3 numbers from that also. And one more thing is that all these items, this brinjal, this green chilli, and this even this curry leaf, lady's finger, everything is from my terrace vegetable garden. So that is one speciality of this particular sambar. Now let us see what all ingredients we need to prepare the same. Here I have taken little asfoetida, little jaggery, little tamarind, little turmeric powder, salt to taste, and final seasoning, little mustard, coconut oil, and red chilli. Again here as a special item I have taken 1 coconut squeezed milk. Again I have taken just in this measurement 1 cup tur dal. It's already been cooked. Now regarding the vegetables, I have selected here 2 brinjal of this egg style, 3 brinjal of mattugulla, and 2 brinjal of long style. Then some 15 green lady's finger and some 15 violet lady's finger and little green chillies. Now let us see how to prepare this lady's finger brinjal plain sambar. Now my pan is preheated. Now we'll add first this tamarind water. Next, towards it I am going to add this green chilli, this turmeric powder, this jaggery, this salt. Now we will wait for another 5 minutes so that it gets boiled and cooked. This tamarind juice should get cooked very properly, otherwise a foul smell will come out of it. Once it is cooked, it will be nice. Now let us see whether tamarind water, everything has cooked properly. Yes, everything has cooked properly. Now we will add the vegetables towards it. Now I have cut all the that is brinjal and lady's finger into small pieces of this style. For sambar we usually cut bindi in this style and bengal of this style. Now we will add towards it. Now we will wait for another 5 to 10 minutes so that everything gets cooked up. in this tamarind water. Dal towards it, cooked dal, and this asfoetida. We'll add little more water towards it. Lady's finger brinjal plain sambar is almost ready. Now towards this we are going to add this coconut milk and switch off the gas. Yes, I am switching off the gas. Curry leaves, red chilli, mustard and coconut oil. Garnish it with little coriander leaves. This gives an added. So nice to be with you. Thank you.